Alright, so this is for the Helion Avenge 10MT truck. My wheel bent, and while I was doing backflips, the wheel bent, and I was trying to bend this piece out, and it broke. So I thought it was disaster. But I went and found that the Traxxas Rustler 4x4 brushed version has the same exact style. So this is the top part for it. I've already got the bottom part in. As you can see, it has a silver. Looks like a more rugged, robust. So yeah, gonna be better. Sticks out a little further, I think, probably a millimeter or so, but that'll be alright. But yeah, I'm gonna, just in case anybody happens across this and wants to see a fix or anything, this is the second Traxxas part I've gotten that has fit this, so leaning heavy into that. And I went ahead, while I did that, I bought the and what that is, 12mm hex nuts. So there's that. I'm fixing to put this top screw in, put my wheels on, and see how this goes. Looks like it is fixed though. Awesome.